In this video, I'll show you how to create forecasts in QuickBooks Online Advanced using the new interface, so you can project revenue or expenses based on your actual history and a few realistic assumptions. Start in QuickBooks, and from the left menu open Financial Planning, then go to the Forecasts tab. If you don't see it, you may be on a different plan or missing permissions. Click Create Forecast and you'll be guided through setup choices that control what QuickBooks is predicting and what data it uses to build the projection. Pick the forecast focus, like income or expenses, then choose the method or basis it will use and select the actuals period it should pull from. A good rule of thumb is to use a range that reflects normal operations. If your business is seasonal, include enough months to capture those swings so the trend isn't misleading. You can also add rules to adjust growth rates or plan changes, but keep them grounded in what you actually expect, since forecasts are estimates, not guarantees. Save and close, and your forecast will appear back on the Forecasts tab, where you can open it, review projections, compare them to real results, and refine as your plans change. Subscribe for more QuickBooks guides that make planning clearer and decisions smarter.